Welcome to my YouTube channel. To make easy and beautiful cards with easy holders, please watch the video till end. If you like, then click the button and subscribe my channel for more entertaining and beautiful videos. Thank you. I have a yellow chart paper which width is 14.5 and the height is 12.5. To decorate this card, we need three beautiful flowers. We place like this. Okay, just place them. Now for the ED, we just take a square piece of any color of paper and just round it like this. At the edges, just paste it like that. And we paste it here like this. And for more decoration, we need a pink strip, and on that we just write Eid Mubarak. And now I just paste it over here. And now we place our ED like this. Now we place ED over here, and for more decoration just add a glittery flower or a star or something you like, add on it. Now your Eid card is ready, and inside you may write any greetings of Eid. Second card is very different. We just take this type of chart paper or a paper what you like. We just fold it like this and add a little glue on the top. We just paste any kind of pattern on that. I just placed a lace over here like this. Now we just mark different kinds of lines in it. Draw lines like this. And at the bottom we just place a moon and the stars like this. Now add stars. And draw a bow-like pattern. Like this. And now place. This card is look like this, and in the inner side we just add a Eid holder in it and just place a Eid Mubarak title in that like this. And we place our Eid like this. Your Eid card is ready. Now this is our third card, and its height is 19 centimeter and its width is 14 centimeter. To decorate this, we take a strip of glitter sheet and just place it like that and just cut over it. And now paste like this. Okay, now to decorate more, we need foaming sheet or any flowers you like. I add over here foaming sheet flowers like this. If you want to know how we made these flowers, please write on the comment section. Okay, for more decoration, we just add Eid Mubarak pattern over here. Just glue it like this. And add a simple, first write it Eid Mubarak. Ignore my bad writing. And now just paste over it. And now for the Eid holder, we just add a white paper over here and just make a circle, and at the edge we just add a glue like this. And now just paste it over here. Now your third card is ready.